Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio with a whole bunch of silicone rubber brushes that I have been enjoying using very much. I found when I cleaned my studio today that I had a multiple primed gold canvas. I'm pretty sure it had some Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold on there and any other gold I might have had at the time to utilize. I'm going to put some medium black in random spots and move it around because I've been doing abstract pieces and I like how the randomness translates. I don't know what the black and the silver are going to look like together. I was thinking about using cell activator. Some Chantilly lace, and I'm contemplating anyway, I'm contemplating interferences. I really want to try some gold interference. I don't know what it would look like over gold. It might just disappear into nothing. And I don't want to let anything dry so long that I can't pass something through it. Like so. I think some more black is in order, but I tend to want to go the opposite direction sometimes. You know what? I'm going to try something else. I'm going to try, oh, I've got interference blue. That might be really strange. It might turn green. I guess we'll find out together in a minute. I'm going to use a different size brush. Actually, I've got some paint left on that brush. I'm not sure what it was. I totally want some more black. I said I wanted gold and then I'm not even sure I know where it is. I've got a little bit left here. As long as the marble's not caught in the tip, we'll give it a shot. I feel like I should mix it with something else. And if I have a bunch of extra residual on my brush, I will use it. I want to wipe the black off. It's like gray. I want a smaller tool. I've got this Michaels tool, Michaels.com. This might wind up being just a stage 1. I want something. Oh, I want my nail art tool, which is just got a flat front. It works well to make stripes. When the paint's too dry, there's no more pulling paint off. I know that's kind of obvious. I'm trying to resist the pink. I keep getting called to Dancing Fuchsia. I'm going to try it. Am I going to like it? That's the question. I kind of wonder, maybe it should be saffron instead. Try both. Dry canvas means I can wipe it off if I hate it. As long as I'm quick. Kind of like that with the blue. Oh, it's definitely not straight. I'm going to try the pink. I'm scared. I want to use a black cell activator. I might have to get a new set of brushes because I like the smooth effect when I'm not notching the blades, and I'm not sure. I haven't had them so long that I'm thinking I notched them by overuse. So maybe they're just not as tough as I was hoping. Yep, Dancing Fuchsia over the saffron, which I like a lot, actually. Mix it up. Yeah, I like those mixed together. I'm liking this a lot. I wasn't sure for a minute, but I got over it. Thought about copper. I've got some copper cell activator. I'm actually pretty happy so far. I wanted to use my nail tool a lot more the other day, so it's kind of cool that I remembered this time. Where is it going? I don't even remember what color it is. I'm gaining some balance. I like the dancing fuchsia, but I like it much better. I miss the saffron when I don't use it. I might be getting to the point where I could call it good. I think. Where's my little... There's my tool. I'm going to use the residuals. Kind of different. I like that they're none of them the same. Probably won't show up very well on black no matter what I do. I like the squares. Okay, I'm back. Cleaned my brushes, found the blue, decided to use some more of it because I can see it over here drying and it's beautiful. Some of the places that I put the gold down aren't showing, but I know that the blue will. And I could always come back tomorrow and do more. I like the idea of working on the dry canvas. Okay, I had one more brush than I'm seeing here. Okay, I lost the smaller brush. I thought it might be interesting to put some paint. Where's this going to go? Into my palette and use it to draw some lines. And I was thinking the black at first, and then it occurred to me I might want to use the titanium white. I still want some black. So black I shall have. Got some really pretty cells in there. They're the only ones though. I'm back. It's the next day. We've got to find out how the gold dried, and it looks sort of creamy. It's an off-white, and the shimmer is good, but I imagined I wanted to straighten out or add another black line here, and maybe here, and I want to put some more color in here. So I'm going to do what I can with the dancing fuchsia, I think. Whoa. No cat hairs. That's the saffron again. I decided between the two tools, I did find this, but this one is a better square in this area. I'm not sure I don't have too much paint there, so maybe I ought to figure out what to do with it. And do something else with it, like that, for instance. I might like this a lot. Definitely got too much of a squeeze out of that first. Maybe wherever I put this will be fine. Kind of want to go from the other direction. I definitely want to make a square, or some facsimile of a square. If I don't think it's square enough, I'll just try and adjust it. Not doing very well with the square thing, but I intend on getting it before I give up. Yeah, I like it better with that. Now, was I completely done? I suppose I could be, but I don't. No matter what I do, it's not going to be perfect, so I might as well get over my bad self. But I do have a little bit of color. I think thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. It speaks to the YouTube algorithm. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire about taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, one-on-one, or purchasing an artwork. Linked here, you'll find promo codes for Colourarte products and pixel paint designs, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link, because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video at around 2 p.m. hopefully. I'll do something else. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more, and I have 34 playlists of 100 videos each, and everything's organized by topic and genres. If you need anything, don't forget, ask questions. It's fine. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.